My name is Anas Sabbar. I am the CEO of Howie Media Group, and I'm representing Inc. Arabia for the GCC and MENA region in the Middle East.
Yeah, my name is Omar. I come from Dubai. I represent Augustus Media and Love in Dubai.
My name is Fadi Kalasina. I'm a partner with Nariman.
My name is Abdurrahman Ramal. I am a Saudi automotive journalist from Saudi Arabia, from the publication of Sport Motor based in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia.
Hi, my name is Rana Hayek. I'm from Lebanon.
Okay, I am Muhammad Ashri, executive editor in Gulf Time newspaper and social media also in Qatar.
My name is Jamil Azhar. I represent Saudi Auto from the Saudi Arabian market.
Hello, hi, my name is Jabir from Qatar.
My name is Tariq Taba, a journalist, come from Qatar.
Innovation, automation, creativity.
Luxury, exciting, convenient.
Intelligent, luxury, and easy to learn.
Say innovation, smart, reliability.
Obviously, it's luxurious, impressive, and futuristic.
Luxury, futuristic, and impressive.
The size of the operation, the automation of the operation, the number of people that touch every part of the car is to a minimum. And that tells us something where the world is moving and how AITO is leading.
It was really impressive. I was very impressed with every stage, like just the size, the amount, like how it works. Very cool.
You can see like less people, you guys counting on robots, on technology. So I think this is where the future is going.
I've been in around the world, in Japan, Korea, and America, but I never seen a factory like this today.
I didn't think at first that AI could help so much in the factory, but now I think that it is so impressive and it's very nice.
It was a fantastic opportunity to get to see how evolved and how technologically advanced the factory is, as well as getting a first-hand look at how advanced and the chassis is and the installation of the car.
The safety side, the convenience of the car, the design of the car really stood out.
I saw the car when it's going into the water. I didn't see any message coming on board, so this is an excellent.
Artificial intelligence, the car make all the measures in the test. It depends on the AI.
Test drive, I like it. For auto drive, it's very nice. Safe, very safe. Everything is okay.
One thing that was really cool is we got to also see the self-parking system and utilizing the self-parking system in real-world functions and seeing how the car just as easily as picking a parking spot, closing the door, and watching the car park itself was fantastic.
We saw the car braking. The system amazed me when it reached very high speed near to the car and it braked. Very nice experience.
I think that AITO offers something that the EV players don't, which is very premium luxury in the car, whether that be in the exterior design or the interior cabin.
AITO have the more technology than the others. That's what I saw in this car. It's upgraded with the new technologies.
I can see the future is fruitful for AITO.
AITO offers something that none of the other premium manufacturers offer, which is REEV, which gives you an incredible amount of range, and also fantastic luxury and technology in the car.
Actually, AITO will have a lot of potential in our market, especially because it's a luxurious car and it has the fuel efficiency REV system. This will work in the Middle East.
We will see AITO, it's have highest technology. They use the highest level for every details in the car. Think after AITO is coming to Qatar, will take good market share in high level luxury brand.
Sure.
Before friends, family. I would definitely recommend this for family members. I look forward to seeing this car in our region, in Dubai and in Riyadh.
100%. I would get it myself. Honestly, I'm very impressed with the car. Please come to the region, you know. UAE needs it.
Yes, I will recommend AITO. I like the car.
Of course, I would recommend AITO for my family and friends.
I like it for M9 M9 especially for my family because I have family, bigger family, and I like it here.
Absolutely. I kind of want one for myself, to be honest.
Of course, I would recommend anybody to try.
I hope all people to drive AITO.